Hi everyone, welcome friends to this channel, and in this video, I will show you and tell you how to type pure heart symbol on your iPhone. Be sure to friends give this video a like, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and let's friends we will get to our topic. So when you open up the keyboard on your device in some messenger, I'll open up notes for example. And if you're here, you'd like to find the empty heart symbol, you click on emoji, maybe, and you click on hearts, you see all the heart icons are already filled with some color. If you look for such a symbol in your keyboard, you won't find it. How then to find the pure heart symbol on the iPhone? To do this, you initially need to go to Settings, then scroll down to the bottom, find General. Next, you will need to find the keyboard. Now at the top select Keyboard. Then add a new keyboard, and here you will need to find the Japanese keyboard. When you add it, you will be presented with a keyboard like this. Now you can exit the settings. Go back to your typing. Now friends, go to the Japanese keyboard. Next, please press this ABC button here. Then 1, 2, 3. And look, now press the number 1. Without releasing your finger, swipe to the left on the empty star. And let your finger go. Now you can see the empty heart sign at the top. And as you can see, here you can, friends, add the empty heart sign on your keyboard to print. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to write your comments, subscribe to the channel, and give your likes. See you soon.